I'm at the Aloe Farm. My name's Andy de Wet, and this is Aloe Gold Sparkle. Now, it's a beautiful aloe, and you can see it flowers quite late in the winter, and a beautiful color and all that. But how did this aloe come to be? So we are plant breeders, and what we do is we try and create plants that are better than the plants in the wild. We create plants like this that are much better adapted for your garden. They can take more water. They are not acclimatized to some mountain condition. They're acclimatized and selected to grow well in your garden and flower as strongly as this. But the process to get to this is a long process. When a plant has got a name like we've given it, Gold Sparkle, Aloe Gold Sparkle, it means that it comes out of a scientific breeding program. So what we do is we select parents, hand pollinate them, and then collect only that seed and keep the record of what the parents are on a database. We sow that seed, and that name goes with that plant. It takes about 3 to 4 years to flower it. Then we do the selection. And once we've selected the plant that we like, we then trial it for another 2 years. And by the time, maybe sometimes even 3 years. And once we've actually got the plant and we say we're going to release it, then we've got to propagate it, multiply it. That could go to a lab often, and it takes another 3 or 4 years. So you can see the whole process can easily take 10 years before I can present you with a new plant like this, Aloe Gold Sparkle. So when you see a plant with a name like that, like Aloe Charles or Gold Sparkle or Hedgehog, you must know it took a lot of effort, scientific breeding program, and that's why you can get plants that are indigenous and that grow well in your garden and that will attract birds and bees and be amazing for any Highveld or any garden in South Africa. Enjoy them. They're done with love and care.